Unveiling the legendary band, Queen's musical legacy. Unlock the secrets behind their iconic hits and enduring fan base. Join us for an epic journey through music history. Subscribe now for exclusive behind-the-scenes content and more. Discover the electrifying history of Queen and how they revolutionized rock music. From their formation in 1970 to their groundbreaking albums, Queen redefined the genre with their theatrical performances, innovative sound, and the incomparable energy that captivated audiences worldwide. Explore Queen's greatest hits and the stories behind their unforgettable anthems. Tracks like Bohemian Rhapsody, We Will Rock You, and Another One Bites the Dust not only topped charts but also became timeless classics, each with its own unique backstory. Uncover the secrets of Queen's unique sound and musical innovation. Their ability to blend rock, opera, and pop created a distinctive style that set them apart. This fusion, combined with their technical prowess and bold experimentation, led to a sound unlike any other. Journey through Queen's rise to fame and their impact on music history. From humble beginnings to becoming global icons, their journey is marked by perseverance, creativity, and a relentless drive to push boundaries, leaving an indelible mark on the music industry. Dive into the legacy of Freddie Mercury and his extraordinary vocal prowess. Mercury's unparalleled range, charismatic stage presence, and emotive performances made him one of the greatest frontmen in rock history. His influence continues to inspire and resonate with fans and musicians alike. Queen's live performances were nothing short of legendary. The band captivated audiences with their electrifying energy and showmanship, creating unforgettable concerts. Freddie Mercury's charismatic stage presence, combined with the band's musical prowess, turned every show into a spectacular event. Freddie Mercury's vocal range and powerful delivery were unparalleled. His extraordinary ability to connect with the audience, paired with the band's innovative sound, solidified Queen's place in rock history. Mercury's voice remains a benchmark for vocalists in the genre. Each member of Queen brought a unique talent to the band. Brian May's intricate guitar work, Roger Taylor's dynamic drumming, and John Deacon's solid bass lines complemented Mercury's vocals. Their collaborative efforts resulted in a distinctive sound that set them apart. Queen's most memorable moments include their triumphant performance at Live Aid in 1985. This iconic set showcased the band's ability to engage and energize a massive audience. Such milestone achievements continue to be celebrated by fans and music historians alike. Queen's music is renowned for its genre-blending techniques. The band effortlessly combined rock, opera, funk, and pop, creating a distinctive style. This innovative approach not only set trends, but also expanded the boundaries of rock music, influencing countless artists across genres. Queen's influence on modern rock bands and musicians is undeniable. Their innovative approach to songwriting and showmanship has inspired countless artists. From their genre-blending techniques to their theatrical performances, Queen's legacy continues to shape and energize the rock music scene. The cultural and social impact of Queen's music spans continents and generations. Their anthems have become rallying cries for unity and self-expression. Songs like We Are the Champions and Bohemian Rhapsody transcend time, resonating with diverse audiences globally. Freddie Mercury's extraordinary vocal prowess remains a benchmark in music history. His dynamic range and emotional depth captivated millions. Mercury's unique ability to convey powerful emotions through his voice has left an indelible mark on aspiring singers and seasoned performers alike. The magic of Queen's live performances and iconic concerts is legendary. Their shows were not just concerts, but full-fledged theatrical experiences. From elaborate stage setups to Freddie Mercury's magnetic presence, Queen's live performances set a new standard for what a rock concert could be. Queen's groundbreaking music videos and visual artistry revolutionized the industry. Their pioneering use of innovative techniques and compelling storytelling set them apart. Videos like Bohemian Rhapsody broke new ground, influencing the way music videos were crafted and appreciated for generations. Queen's collaborations and duets with legendary artists created some of the most memorable moments in music history. Their partnership with David Bowie on Under Pressure combined two iconic voices, resulting in a timeless anthem that continues to captivate audiences worldwide. The evolution of Queen's sound showcases their remarkable versatility and innovation. From their early hard rock roots to their later explorations of pop, opera, and disco, each album reflects a new chapter in their artistic journey, keeping fans eagerly anticipating their next move. In the studio, Queen pioneered innovative recording techniques that pushed the boundaries of music production. Their meticulous layering of vocals, groundbreaking use of multi-tracking, and creative sound effects set new standards, influencing countless artists and redefining the possibilities of recorded music. Queen's contributions to music technology and production are undeniable. Their pioneering use of synthesizers, harmonizers, and advanced studio equipment helped shape the sound of modern music, proving that technical mastery and artistic brilliance could go hand in hand. The timeless appeal of Queen's music lies in its ability to resonate across generations. Their blend of powerful lyrics, unforgettable melodies, and genre-defying compositions ensures that their songs remain relevant and cherished, continuing to inspire new fans and musicians alike. Queen's music has stood the test of time because of its timeless melodies, innovative compositions, and universal themes. Their ability to blend genres and constantly evolve has ensured their relevance across generations, resonating deeply with fans old and new alike. The fan-favorite deep cuts and hidden gems in Queen's discography reveal the band's versatility and creative depth. These lesser-known tracks showcase their experimental nature and highlight the band's willingness to push musical boundaries, offering listeners a richer experience. Queen's music has been prominently featured in movies, TV shows, and commercials, enhancing their cultural impact. Iconic tracks like Bohemian Rhapsody and We Will Rock You have become synonymous with memorable moments in visual media, cementing their legacy. Queen's philanthropic efforts have made a significant impact on various causes. The band has used their platform to raise awareness and funds for important issues, demonstrating their commitment to giving back and making a positive difference in the world. The global fan community is a testament to Queen's enduring influence. Fans from all walks of life connect over their shared love for the band's music, forming a loyal and passionate base that keeps Queen's spirit alive and thriving worldwide. Queen's tours were legendary, marked by grandiosity and unforgettable performances. Behind-the-scenes stories reveal the band's camaraderie, challenges, and triumphs. Each tour was meticulously planned, showcasing their commitment to excellence and their desire to connect deeply with fans worldwide. Queen's induction into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame was a crowning achievement, recognizing their monumental influence on music. This honor, alongside countless awards, cements their legacy, celebrating their innovation and the timeless appeal of their groundbreaking sound. The legacy of Queen continues through tribute bands and covers, keeping their music alive for new generations. These tributes honor the band's original spirit, demonstrating the enduring impact of Queen's artistry and their profound influence on musicians globally. By subscribing, fans gain access to exclusive content and in-depth analyses, joining a vibrant community of passionate Queen enthusiasts. Engage with fellow fans, delve deeper into Queen's rich history, and celebrate the band's enduring legacy together.